ラブバイツ、ザ・オール・フィーメール・ジャパニーズ・ヘビメタルバンド、has risen to international fame with their technical prowess, electrifying performances, and a sound deeply rooted in the traditions of classic heavy metal. Since their debut in 2016, they have been redefining what it means to be a modern metal band. Their legendary performances have become a hallmark of their artistry, leaving fans and critics alike in AWE. But what exactly makes Love Bites performances so special? Unmatched musicianship at the heart of Love Bites success lies the exceptional talent of ITS members. Each musician brings a unique skill set to the table. Miyako and Midori. Guitars. The twin guitar attack of Miyako and Midori's reminiscent of legendary duos like Iron Maiden's Dave Murray and Adrian Smith. Their precision, harmonized solos, and intricate riffs create a soundscape that is both nostalgic and refreshingly modern. Haruna, drums, Haruna's powerful drumming drives the band's sound. Her mastery of double bass patterns and complex rhythms adds depth and intensity to their music. Fami, bass, the youngest member. Fami, showcases technical proficiency and creativity that stands out, seamlessly blending with the band's intricate compositions. Asami, vocal, Asami's vocal range and power are nothing short of extraordinary. Her ability to switch between operatic high notes and gritty power vocal provides a dynamic edge to the band's sound.
A commanding stage presence. Love Bites is known for commanding the stage with charisma and energy. From the moment they step on stage, the band exudes confidence and fashion. Their synchronized, head-banging, precise movements and intense interactions with the audience create a captivating experience. Unlike many metal bands, they strike a balance between aggressions and elegance, often performing in glamorous white outfits that contrast with their powerful sounds. Their performances are not just about the music, they are about the emotions they evoke. The band's ability to connect with their audience, regardless of language barriers, speaks volumes and their universal appeal. A tribute to classic metal, one of the most distinctive aspects of Love Bites is their deep appreciations for the roots of heavy metal, drawing inspiration from bands like Iron Maiden, Judas Priest, and Halloween. Love Bites pays homage to the classic era of metal while adding their own modern twist. This blend of old and new creates a sound that appeals to both long-time metal fans and newer audiences. Their performances are often described as a journey through the golden age of heavy metal, complete with galloping riffs, soaring vocals, and electrifying solos. Yet they manage to infuse these classic sounds with a distinctly Japanese flair, making a unique their own flawless live execution. One of the key factors that set Love Bites apart is their ability to flawlessly execute their complex composition in live setting. Many of their songs features intricate rapid tempo changes, and challenging solos, yet the band consistently delivers with precision. Their live performances are testament to their dedication and countless hours of practice. Whether playing in intimate venues or headlining major festival, Love Bites maintains the same level of intensity and professionalism. Fans often remarks on how their live renditions sounds as polished as a studio recording, if not better thematic and visual impact. Love Bites performance are not just about the music, they're also about storytelling and visuals. The band's themes often revolve around empowerment, resilience, and unity, which resonate strongly with their audience. Their visual presentation, from their striking stage outfit to their album-inspired stage design, enhances the overall experience. The contrast between their ethereal, wild attire and the ferocity of their music creates a unique aesthetic that has become their signature. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.